we are headed to the beach. It's a gorgeous day out today. We're going to Robert Moses Beach. We're gonna go meet up with some of my co-workers, bringing the fam bam along, because this is how we do. You guys ready for the beach?
Yeah!
Ellie, you ready for the beach?
No.
Oh, well, okay. Well, I also say I'm ready for the beach, so that's 2 against 1, the majority wins. I'm assuming Michelle is also ready for the beach. It's gonna be fun.
Why she said no?
Stay tuned. Alright, we made it. It is a nice day, like I said. We're still in the parking lot. Not too bad of a drive. Except we're supposed to be in field 3 and it's full, so we're at field 2 and we're going to have to hike it.
I thought they already got a spot.
They do. But we have to walk there, that's the thing.
Oh, you mean parking lot
It's full.
So we parked.
Yeah, so we're parked all the way in the other field.
Oh, I thought you meant we just chose to stay here.
No.
Got it.
Okay, we made it.
Yeah. And we're tired.
Sweating my balls off. You guys hungry? Is anybody else in a bathing suit? These guys look like they're not ready to go hit the water.
All right, girls, are you excited? No? Where are you? What? We're at the beach. But you have to eat your lunch first. What's for lunch? Oh, don't play with it. That's dirty now.
Alright. Set up the beach umbrella. Now we're gonna play with some sand.
What are you making?
Guys, we got a really cool tool here. A really cool tool. Who wants to see a cool tool?
Yay!
You want to see a cool tool?
Yeah,
Okay, because this tool is cool. It's a rake. You say a rake?
Can you give Ellie a shovel? It's a big shovel. Where's the little shovel?
Wait, give Ellie the little shovel. Ellie Belly, here, use this one. Shovel. Shovel. Here.
Alright, at the beach. See the water. The waves are pretty, I don't even know what the correct term is. I was gonna say heavy. They're crashing hard. So, not a lot of people are swimming. I think the girls, it might be too rough for them. But, all they need is the sand.
the water.
You having fun?
Oh yeah. Let's see, we walked a mile in the car.
Another mile to get to the beach.
Another mile to get to the beach. I would say that I have to go pee, but I'm dehydrated.
I don't understand. I have water right here. My handy dandy mug. Or, not mug. Are you done acting?
Woo! Quiet please. Walk towards mommy real quick.
You okay?
What happened?
Wait, I didn't take off my... I have a bikini underneath.
Okay. Okay, I got so much sand on my... It's not even funny.
Go on your language. It's not funny.
Look. Crabs.
Ellie,
That's all sand.
you know the first time when that big wave came and then she got scared? This whole thing got washed out.
You got wet?
Yeah, don't you notice I'm further back?
The whole thing got wet?
I had to move everything back.
Wow, I didn't know. Wait, we're here?
Yeah.
And the wave did not go all the way up to here.
This was drenched.
Maybe somebody walked past it.
No, the water washed it. Here, Ellie.
I have some too. Like this one castle.
Yeah.
Did you have fun in the water? You did?
Yeah. Oh, what's up? What's up, Paul?
Remember last year during the party?
Yeah.
She's not gonna remember that.
She was a baby.
Yeah. Yo, what's up? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shot. Damn. Tony. It's good. We've been here. We went to the water. Diaz and Enoch. This should be in there. Bye.
Oh my god.
Let me see you. Let me see your face.
You put it and it's a bit over.
She sees you guys, no?
Yeah. I'm shocked. This is like... This doesn't happen. She's getting older, I guess.
Aww, sweet.
20. What if? To hit the switch, I can make that. This is where the real magic happens, right here.
Me?
Boom. That looking so nice.
Doon ang banyo pala. This is super well done.
Damn, Jay. Coals on coals. That's Cajun, son.
What? Huh? Yeah, pero ano to? Aray Balera.
What's Alay Barrera?
Aray Balera. Ricky Martin.
Dan, that's a little bit too well done for me.
Kupo yata, nagkupo. Ay, nandiyan, anak. Nagkupo.
20. What you eating?
She's eating already. Preheating.
Wow, look at this.
Yep.
Set it and forget it.
Nobody's gonna go hungry for a week.
Jesus Christ.
Hello.
See what's going on here. Oh, it's the Cajun side.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
What happened here?
What happened here? That's FYI. This side, my keys. You give him one thing to do. This is what he does. Okay? If you want chicken chicharron, right there. I mean, get it. I mean, we were like, I'm hard back and we just go down. Look at her. She's like having fun. What's good right now?
Pink. Dang. Okay, are you boxing tonight? Damn, that's like, it's like what Mayweather would wear to his fight on fight night. No? Pink.
Did I have a bone here?
A what? A bone? They just like have been non-stop grilling since we got here. So much food, it's crazy.
Nahihiya lang sa'yo dyan, mga yan.
Everybody has a bone.
Look around. Where you going?
Lighthouse.
Huh? You coming back? Huh? Yeah, you know that lighthouse? Not that one, the one over there. Where?
There's two lighthouses, bro.
Where's the other lighthouse? You're gonna drive there or walk there? Drive. Oh, here it is. The pillow. Come on, Mona, just lie down. That's fine. Go ahead. I'm not gonna look. I'm putting the camera away.
We'll see what it gets. I'm catching flies and honey and still sticky.
Son, you, I wish I could do it. You would your cousin.
Sing your song.
She can do it.
Ellie, sing your song.
Mama, take a
You.
Just got back from the beach. Gwyneth had a great nap on the ride home. And so did her sister and so did her mother. It was a great time. I'm glad I spent a day with the co-workers that had nothing to do with work. And now if you'll excuse me, I gotta go hop in the shower and get all of this sand out of my... There's a lot.